Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto and blockchain in 2025, the Worldcoin app is a game changer for secure digital identities and rewards. Today, I'm walking you through a full guide on how to invite your friends to join the fun. It's super straightforward, and by the end, you'll be expanding your network like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Worldcoin app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your app store, update if needed, and open the app. Once you're in, log in with your existing account. Use your email, phone, or biometric verification for a seamless experience. Now, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Community or Invites tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to generate an invite link. This is where the magic happens. The app will create a unique link tied to your account, which you can customize if the feature is available in 2025 updates. Next, sharing is caring. Hit the share button and choose how you want to send it out. You can text it, email it, or post it on social media platforms like X or Instagram. Worldcoin makes this easy with pre-written messages to entice your friends. After you've sent the invites, keep an eye on the tracking section in the app. It shows how many people have clicked your link and signed up, plus any rewards you might earn, like bonus tokens or exclusive access. Remember, in 2025, Worldcoin has enhanced security, so only verified users can join through your invites. One quick tip. If your friends run into issues, remind them to use a stable internet connection and the latest app version. And if you encounter any glitches, check the app's help center or community forums. There you have it, folks. Inviting friends to Worldcoin is a breeze and a great way to build your digital ecosystem. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's connect and grow together in 2025. Thanks for watching.